Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur, when somebody offered him obeisances, he used to say, daso'smi, I am the servant. I am the servant of my spiritual master. On his behalf I am doing whatever I am doing. So this offering, the obeisances that you are offering, is actually due to my spiritual master, because I am his servant. And that is the attitude of a saintly personality. He doesn't demand anything. He is simply concerned about rendering service to his spiritual master. But the disciple's business is to just hold on to his spiritual master, by hook or by crook. This is called the Markat nyaya. Markat means a monkey. And what does a baby monkey do? The baby monkey holds on to the mother monkey. And the mother monkey jumps from one tree to another. And he's safe. He holds on to his mother. So disciple's business is to just hold on to the spiritual master. And the rest will happen.